Hello, my name's Adam from Kite Packaging, and today I'm going to talk to you about our new pallet stacking frame. If you move, store or transport pallets, this product is perfect to make your operation more efficient. Instead of stacking pallets side by side and wasting space, you can utilise some vertical space by stacking them on top of each other safely. What makes this pallet stacker different is how simple and flexible it is. There's no fixing, no bolting and no permanent installation. Just stack the pallet on top of another one and you're ready to go. In total, there are 4 variations across 2 different pallet sizes and 2 different heights. The pallet sizes are the Euro pallet size, which is 1200mm by 800mm. The second is the standard pallet size, which is 1200mm by 1000mm. The 2 heights available are 500mm and 1000mm. Each of these 4 variations has a load capacity of 800 kilograms. It's also a sustainable option because it's completely reusable. So you typically see pallet stackers used in 3 main areas. The first area is transport, where they're used to utilise all the space on the truck. You can either stack them 1, 2 or 3 high. The second area is in warehouses, where they can be used as flexible racking, temporary storage or even pop-up pack stations. The third and final area is goods in, where they're used to help with palletisation and organisation of putting stock away. One of the biggest advantages of the pallet stacker is how simple and easy it is to use. There's no training required or any tools needed. To use, you simply place the pallet stacker onto a loaded pallet, position the next pallet on top using a forklift and repeat as needed. When you're finished, the stackers simply fold flat for storage. When storing, up to 6 units can be stacked onto a single pallet, so they take up very little space when not in use. So if you're looking to reduce transport costs, maximise warehouse space and transport pallets safely, the pallet stacker is definitely for you. If you would like more information, please check out our website or get in contact with our team. Thanks for watching.